Hi, my name is Bugs, and today I'm going to show you a very important video which talks about the iSketch form. So this is actually one of the tools that we need. We are artistic. We call ourselves artistic person. You also call yourself artistic person. Artistic person, like for example, an artist, right? He wants to draw something. He has to have the brush and also have the canvas to draw on. So those are the tools that he needs. All right. Or if you are a singer, or you have a piano and so forth. So the tool is a piano. Now you are a technology developer. You are an inventor. So this is the tool. This tool is a thinking tool. A thinking tool whereby it helps you to imagine your new idea and then you draw it out, you sketch it out. That's why it's called iSketch form. All right. So I also want to tell you this iSketch form we have designed in such a way it is so easy to use. Yeah, people who have never invented anything and never have actually know how to sketch out the idea. This is the way. This is it. This is how to give birth to the new idea. It's called iSketch form. So in the front page you can see like that. Before I show you this, iSketch form come in two ways. One way is hard copy like this, right? Hard copy like this. And the second way is a soft copy. A soft copy where actually the hard copy you can also download from the DRS system. The same system that you are watching me. You can look for where download the hard copy. You can actually download and you can print out, or you can get one of these from us. And the other way is on the DRS system. There is actually software online, right? You can actually type in your ideas and so forth. All right. So it's actually the same. All right. So I'm going to use the hard copy to explain to you. And when you read this online copy, actually it's actually the same. So it start off by having your details and so forth. And one of the things is that in the CIPCO program especially, we have actually designed ideas for three categories. The first categories are new ideas for new product that will capture new market. I mean to increase your sales, right? To increase sales. So that's one category. The second category are for increased productivity. Increased productivity means idea that could actually reduce the material wastage, to reduce manpower, the number of people that work, or to reduce time. And when you are able to reduce time and manpower and space, it can be quantified into dollar and cent. So you have to write it down in dollar and cent. So that way your management will know your idea worth so much. All right. Okay. So I want to also tell you the iSketch form. We have actually come up with a simple formula, a simple thinking formula. It's called OSNAC. I don't know whether you can see or not. OSNAC. Can you see OSNAC? Yeah. OSNAC is a 5 simple way. So O, we begin with O. Yeah, there we are. O, observation. All invention come from observation. So you have to keep your eye and your ear open and observe the things around you, whether it's from your supplier or whether within your company, in your warehouse or in your shop floor or from the sales. You have to observe what are the problems, what's not right. Then when you understand that, then you write it down here. You write down here, it becomes your problem statement. Of course, this paper you may not have enough space. You can use additional pages. But if you are putting on an online DRS system, you can write as many as you can. So, but important thing is to write a problem statement that is so strong. That means the problem has to be solved. If the problem has to be solved, the urgency to solve it, then you have got a very good problem to solve. All right. So of course, once you have written the problem statement, I'm sure you have already think of an idea how to solve it. Correct. So this is where then you sketch out. You sketch out. This is called number 2 is called sketch. Yeah? Sketch. Can you see? Sketch. Right. So you sketch it out. Your idea. Your new idea about how to solve that problem that you mentioned here just now. Of course, if you are on an online system, you can sketch it out and put it in. You can also snap some picture or print screen, and we have the space for you to actually load in. And if you want to talk about it over a video, okay, we accept also. And you can put it in PowerPoint and with a sketch of your PowerPoint, put it in. Then we understand your your new concept that you have imagined and you have conceptualized. All right. Then the third thing we want you to do is to tell us the new feature. Yeah. Number 3, new feature. So the new feature is to explain to us what's so new about your idea. Well, the idea has to be new so that it is not the existing way of doing things. Your idea is different. That's why it bring about this new method, new process, or new gadget that you have developed or that you want to develop. All right. So you have to explain to us the new thing. All right. It can be actually a combination. For example, let's say I have this is actually a pointer, right? As you can see, I can point to the wall. So maybe you also want to have a recorder inside the pointer. So the new feature is that you have a recorder inside the pointer, and people can actually know the speaker say something. So I just want to give you an example. So your idea has to have something new, a combination of something that we can accept also. All right. Then after that, you have to tell us the advantage from the user point of view, right? Advantage. That's number 4. Advantage. It's not you advantage, advantage of the user. Someone else used that particular new idea of yours, new process or new gadget. What is his experience, the user experience? So you have to describe that user experience. He will save time. He use with less money, or it will help your company to increase profit or productivity. You have to mention that. All right. So that will give impact to your idea. And lastly, the commercial impact, right? Number 5, commercial impact. Yeah. Commercial impact. If you have a new idea, you tell us in the next 1 year, how much sales can you increase? Or like I said just now, regarding the productivity, how much productivity can increase, and that increase can bring how much revenue. You can also talk about the saving of wastage of material, and of course saving of workforce and energy and space and time. This all can be quantified into saving, and over the 1 year, assuming you can save 25,000 or whatever the money, so at least the management know that your idea actually is a $25,000 idea. Right? So then with that, you click submit. Right? Like I say, you have to watch the timeline when you are supposed to submit. Make sure you submit before the timeline. So you can submit as many ideas as you can, but use one form for one idea. Then if you have a second one, you use the second one and you submit again. We know where you we know your name, we know where the system will capture everything in a DRS. So we know that idea belongs to you and so forth. You don't worry. All right. So I'm really looking forward to see your idea. Your company is looking forward to see your idea, and we are very excited about it. So thank you so much, and I look forward to see you again.